Every carpet cleaning company owner says the market is slow. But the dude down the street, he's booked out 2 weeks in advance. It's not the market, it's your system. You think when you got 20 trucks, the hard part would be over, but let's be honest. Most of the big carpet cleaning companies are having the same problems with the guy with 2 vans are having. Their phones don't ring unless they spend more money on Facebook ads or Google ads. And that's the problem. If you're running Facebook ads or Google ads for your carpet cleaning business, I got some hard truth for you. You're probably donating 30% of your budget or more to your competitors. I call it ghost logic. Here's what happens. You run a local service ad and customer sees it, sees you only have 40 reviews or 100 reviews or whatever you got, and they see your competitors got 400 reviews. Guess who's getting the call? The guy with more reviews. The same for Facebook ads. The customers see your ad, but they don't trust you. Why? Because you haven't put in your Google reviews in your Facebook ads, or you don't have enough Google reviews to put in your Facebook ads. I know this because I've lived it. I'm Billy D. Dunley. I grew up in a trailer park, and I was put in remedial reading. When I started my business, I was broke, I was invisible, I couldn't get the phone to ring. But I figured out one thing, that we're in the trust business. When I figured that out, I got massive reviews. Business skyrocketed. I opened up location after location, some up to 500 miles away. I sold it all for 7 figures. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you so if a knucklehead like me could do it, you can too. Let's face it. Whether you know it or not, you're in the trust business. You're not just cleaning carpets. See, people are letting you into their homes. They have to trust you before they do that. The way you build trust is you get more Google reviews and a higher star rating. And if you're running Facebook ads, you got to put that in your ads. If you're running local service ads, Google puts that right there. People see it. That's one of the few things they see is how many reviews you have and your star rating. That's what they're depending on to call you. You're in the trust business. At Connect Folks Marketing, we don't sell leads. We help you gain the trust of your customers. We help you get a ton of Google reviews fast. Whether you have 2 vans or 20, it gets customers leave 5-star reviews while the wand's still in the back of the van. Suddenly your local service ads shoot through the roof. Your Facebook ads start to convert. You go to kids' games because now you have steady cash flow. Now here's the best part. We give you 50 free Google reviews. These aren't fake reviews. These are real, genuine reviews from your customers. Because let's face it, it's crazy to spend the kind of money you're spending on Facebook ads and Google ads when at the end of the day, people aren't going to trust you. That's why you got to get Google reviews to have people trust your ads. It'll make converting so much easier because that's what Google reviews do for you. They turn your ads into paying customers. But here's the best part. Google reviews help every part of your business. They help your referrals. They help people that hear about you other ways. They help you get on the map pack so you don't have to spend all this money on ads. So the more reviews you get, the less ad spend you got to spend. I call it the snowball effect. You like rolling a snowball? The more reviews you get, the more customers you get, the more reviews you get, the more customers you get, it snowballs. Here's the deal. There's a lot of carpet cleaning companies out there with 700 reviews, 1,000 reviews, thousands of reviews. And I'm sure you're probably thinking, I can't catch those guys, so why try? That's BS. You can catch them. We've seen it happen. We've had people start from a handful of reviews to 900 reviews. You could do it. You could catch them. It's doable. Don't give up. So you'll have the 600-pound gorilla carpet cleaning company. But listen, we only work with one company per area. So I can't help you dominate if I'm working with your competitor. One other thing. If you're not going to actually answer the phone when you start getting all these calls, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, don't call us because we're going to get your phone to ring. We only work with carpet cleaning companies that are serious about getting more customers and growing their business. Click the Learn More button to see if you qualify. So I look forward to hearing from you. Billy D. Dunley, Connect Folks Marketing. I hope you call us and hope you qualify.